Hey guys, what's going on? Andy Sukhu here, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions. I'm actually with a client of ours, real testimonial, real life client in our office, not a homemade video. And he's actually going to share his experience and also what he does for a living. So if you live in the Brooklyn area and you're looking to purchase a home, your first time home buyer, a refi, whatever it is that you're trying to purchase, he's the guy if you want to go into Brooklyn. So David, welcome to
I want to say first thank you for just having me here, and I want to say first thank God because without God I'm nothing, and God always sometimes send people in your life to help you go to the mission that you were supposed to go to. So meeting Andy at a mixer has changed my life. Actually I met him at the Kids Who Bank. I got to shout out Kids Who Bank, Jatali Bennington, where he was on the panel sharing his story. And when I saw he shared a story about how he started and everything, it really touched me. And I said, you know what, I got to work with this guy. So I'm in real estate. I'm a real estate broker, and I'm also an investor. And in real estate, in order to get an apartment or a house, you need good credit. And a lot of times I would have clients come to me with a whole bunch of cash, and I was one of those people where, you got the money, but then you don't have the credit, right? So how did I get to this point where my credit took a hit? Basically in 2011, my mom passed away. And then 2012, I made a bad financial mistake. And 2013, I lost my job of 15 years working with the Board of Education.
Man, 15 years?
Yes, 15 years. So here it is now, I'm on unemployment for the first time in my whole life, and I have a mortgage to pay, I got a car note, and you got to feed yourself. And I don't know if anybody knows how much unemployment pays you. It doesn't pay you that much a month. So I was forced to make a decision in order to survive, a survival decision. And that decision was to use my credit cards and just to live, to buy everyday supplies like groceries and pay my bills. And next thing you know, I maxed out my credit cards. I didn't find a job within the next 4 or 5 months, and then I already maxed out my cards, and basically I couldn't pay it. And that's when my 700 credit score at the time in 2013 went down to now I think 441 back in 2017, when a good friend of mine helped me to get a car. And long story short, I couldn't get anything. Here I am, I'm closing big deals, I'm making money now, but guess what? I can't get anything because cash is king, but credit is power. And here I am now because I met Mr. Andy. I have now in 90 days.
Not even 90 days, 2 months.
In less than 2 months.
Less than 2 months.
Correction.
We haven't ever hit 90 days, yeah.
Correction, in less than 2 months, not only am I debt free, he settled at least $17,000 worth of debt for me, where he was able to negotiate with his expertise and knowledge and wisdom with the banks and sell it down for as little as $3,000. And not only am I debt free now, which is the chains are off, the shackles have been broken. I'm also now in the 700 club, thanks to Andy. My before credit when I started with him was at 549, and now I'm officially at 776.
Yes, 776, 221 points.
I still am in shock right now as I'm talking to you. So
none of this is coming back on your report either.
And so I feel like a new man. I have a new lease on life, and for everybody out there looking who was also in situations like mine or who needs to get their credit repaired, I would definitely highly recommend Andy of Y2K Credit Solutions. He is the solution to your credit problems. Nothing is too big or too small. He can fix anything. And he could also help you with your business line of credit. He can help you with mortgages. I mean, the man can do it all. And he services the best of the best. And just to let you know, Bertie told me that he also services high-end income clients as well. Some of the people you may see on TV or on your favorite radio show or station, okay? So just letting you know, he's the best of the best. Definitely give him a call. Come see his office out here. I think he has how many offices?
9 locations.
9 locations. So He made it easy for you guys. All right, so if you want to be in the 700 club like myself, come see Andy from Y2K Credit Solutions. God bless you all.
Thank you, David. And, I appreciate David coming and sharing his story. He didn't have to go that deep into how it started, but I appreciate him being transparent to you guys and putting his whole story out there and letting you know where he's coming from, where he's heading now. We're always here to help everyone. So like David told you, call us, we're here to help you. It's the real deal.
And now because of him, guess what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to be able to buy my dream home. Okay? Thanks to him fixing my credit, I can now buy my house.
The best thing about being a realtor, he gets all the good deals. He doesn't want to tell us.
I might share a couple with you.
I need you to share a couple with me. But thank you, David, and thank you guys.
Thank you. God bless you.